Now I suppose I have to start off by saying that really I am not a great Lego fan, and in some ways nor am I a huge fan of Lord of the Rings, although I did read The Hobbit and the Ring trilogy about 5 or 6 decades ago. That said, there is a huge Lego following within the family, being 2 of my daughters, my son-in-law, and now it seems the missus. These are a few clips showing various stages of the build which Hannah and Angela worked on together. Installation of the lighting kit is a little bit complex and does require a certain amount of disassembly of the model, and in fact the lighting installation was really primarily carried out by Hannah. So a while back Angela was given as a present this I think it's called Bara-Dor, Sauron's residence if memory serves, as a present, and Angela and Hannah put it together. It's fantastic. That is amazing, isn't it, really?
Yeah. Well, put that into you now. Can I step in?
Oh no! I got a Nazgul, and now there's a blooming great Balrog come to get us. We're in trouble here.
You shall not pass.
Oh. Sounds like me trying to take exams, that does. Long time ago, mind you. Bara-Dor by the light of Mount Doom. Am I not right?
Shall I turn it round?
Saruman. To further enhance the model, we did acquire a lighting kit that specifically is made for it, and as I mentioned previously, in fact the lights were really installed by Hannah.